Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be looking at GameStop. We're going to be looking at the reverse repo number. Did it break all-time highs? I think the answer will not surprise you, but I'll be bringing that in the first half of the video. Then in the second half, we're going to be looking at some big hedge funds, some asset managers, some banks that have been buying and selling GameStop and what those moves could mean in terms of the mass. Some pretty big names here, some of the biggest names in fact. So before we get onto that, we're just going to look at GameStop's price on the day. You can see it's down 2% on the day. It is down 2.5%, sorry, $159.42 a share. Started the day at around about 164, even got up to highs of 165 and 60 cents, and then had a pretty strong move down and has been trading pretty flat for the rest of the day, but is currently at $159.42. If we just take it out over the last 5 days, you can see this has been a bit of a support point, this 158, 157 area. I can't really go, let me just take that out a little bit more on the 5 days. But you can see this has been a support point these past few days, so it'll be interesting to see how long this holds for and what the price moves are next. So before we get into the reverse repo, I just want to say give a like on the video if you've enjoyed it or if you're going to enjoy it, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I know a lot of people aren't subscribed, so it'll be good if you do subscribe, because then that way you can see my videos. But if I haven't won you over yet, hopefully I'll win you over soon. So thanks for clicking on the video regardless, and let's have a look at the first thing, the reverse repo. So this reverse repo was for Wednesday, the 18th of August. Delivery on the 18th, matures on the 19th. As you can see, the amount was $1.115 trillion, which has smashed the all-time record. So currently we are at uncharted waters once again with the reverse repo. Over $1.1 trillion in reverse repurchase agreements for the 18th of August. That is crazy. This has been increasing over time. Let me just see if this has a chart where you can see some of the prices. I mean, let's just scroll down quite a bit. Not too long ago, on the 3rd of August, it was 900 billion, 900 billion, 900.4, and it's been increasing slowly, and it has topped the previous number that was the highs of just over a trillion. So at all-time highs, once again, you can see here $1.115 trillion in reverse repo. It's madness. It's increasing. It just keeps on increasing. Where's it going to go to? Nobody knows. It's going. I'll tell you what. Reverse repo has certainly gone to the moon. That's for sure. Now let's have a look at some of these moves that I was telling you about before. These are the file dates, these are the investors, and these are mostly from the 13F filings. Then you can see the moves they made as well. So people who have sold, we've got BlackRock Inc., the largest asset manager in the world. I think they have, I don't even know. Vanguard has 7 trillion. BlackRock definitely have more. It's probably around about 9 or 10 trillion. And they have sold out of 21% of their shares, sorry, almost 22% of their shares. Now, is this rebalancing, or are they just taking profits? BlackRock have been on the ape side for some time. Definitely a strong ally, maybe not the best ally to have, but definitely a very strong ally. So they've done rebalancing, and Vanguard as well. As of on the 13th, they have increased their shares by 9%. So a lot of a lot of retail investors are part of Vanguard. I know I use Vanguard as well, so that's up 9%, which is good to see. But one of the biggest moves actually in terms of percentage, Morgan Stanley, disgraced bank from 2008, but they have increased their GameStop ownerage by 210% with an average price of $201 a share. So even at its current price, they still think that this is a great buying opportunity because they bought almost, probably about 20% higher. So Morgan Stanley still think GameStop is a solid investment. They're not selling, so that'll be good to see as well. Let's just quickly touch upon the orders for today. GameStop are 16th, so that is increasing. They were outside the top 20 yesterday, so it's good to see they're improving. And look at that buy to sell ratio. That is madness. Almost 5 to 1, 3,587 to 747. That is crazy compared to all of these. Nothing looks like GameStop on the regular. Yes, some companies have good days. I mean, Alibaba has quite a good ratio. Target has quite a good ratio, but day in and day out when we check this, GameStop is always very positive on the buy to sell ratio. So interesting that the stock price isn't going up more, but we all know why that is. There's a company that's up 61% of the day, pretty even, but these are people taking profits. These are both a good day for pharmaceuticals and AMC as well. A lot of volume at the minute on Fidelity. Always surprising for me because I do think GameStop is the better play, but what do I know? GameStop higher than companies like Alibaba, The Spy, Microsoft, Triple Q, Ford. So it just shows the powerhouse that is GME and to a lesser extent AMC as well. Right, guys, that's about it. Thank you for clicking on this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Consider subscribing if you're not already and give it a like as well. And comment on your thoughts down below. Do you think we're going to be keep on seeing higher and higher reverse repos? I'm going to say yes, I think so. That's a pretty darn safe bet. Right, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys next time.